tea. Some hot tea.
Some hot tea?
Yeah.
Damn. From where? I'm walking to Trader Joe's. You want to walk with me?
Trader Joe's?
Yeah.
All the way up?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we can stop by Starbucks or something. Say hi to my TikTok. Alright, so we about to go on CVS real quick. So we in here. He about to show me where he gotta go. Because he said he's in pain. So he just got insurance yesterday, but it takes 45 days for his insurance to be active. So I told him, like, I'm just gonna pay for it. So he got his medication. Do you recognize this one? I think this is the one you're supposed to have. I'm gonna ask him. So we at Starbucks now. What size do you want? Do you want like a small one? Okay. Can I get a grande green tea, please? Okay. Here's your green tea. Do you want some napkins? So the CVS we were just at only had one of the medications, but the one he really needs, they don't have it. And he's in pain. He literally cannot walk with me. So I told him, like, stay here. I'm gonna walk to the other CVS and I'm gonna see if they got it. So I made it to the other CVS and the guy was so nice. He gave us a heavy discount. He was like, I applied a good discount. And then I'm waiting for his prescription to get refilled. So I gotta sit here and wait. Guys, I'm so happy they had his medicine. So I'm on my way to go find him right now. So they had your medicine. So I got your medicine. All right, so we switched. He's gonna push my cart and then I'm gonna take his suitcase. He's talking about he's gonna go to a church. I said, no, I'm gonna get you a hotel room. But I know all these cars looking like, what the hell do they got going on? All right, yo. After an hour, we got Unc a room. Okay, Unc, here go your room. Oh, period. Period. Look at Unc, I done got you a room and everything. This is your keys, Unc. I want you to enjoy yourself. Check out 11 o'clock. Here, give you some money. Okay. You got my number, right? You gonna be good?
Yes.
So,
I love you. I
love you too, Unc. Y'all, TikTok, we spent how many hours together, Unc?
We spend them.
We spend them. I haven't eaten all day. I'm hungry. I gotta go back to school. What kind of cancer you got?
Prostate.
Prostate?
Prostate.
Okay. So Unc got cancer, y'all. I wanted to help him. It was crazy because I was going to get my groceries delivered and I decided to go on a walk. And you were so nice. All you asked for was tea. You said, can I get some tea?
That's all.
And then you were so kind. I said, no, I want to do more for him. So I'm glad that you allowed me to help you. You were so kind to me. And I really hope everything gets better with you. I'm going to pray for you.
Great.
I give you my number. I looked out for you. You got your prescriptions.
Yes, you did.
I give you some money, so if you want to go get some food. So I'm going to look for you, Unc. So I'm going to see if I can raise... Y'all, TikTok, we need to raise money for Unc, y'all. We need to help Unc out. Seriously. Well, say bye to my TikTok, Unc.
Love you.
Love you. I just got home. I just spent like 4 or 5 hours with him. I haven't eaten all day. I didn't actually grocery shop. Instead, I wanted to help him. I want to start a GoFundMe for him, y'all. Seriously. So hopefully this ends up on the Right People For You page. I got his information. I want to find him. I don't know.
And I'm here. And he is too. My angel.
I'm so glad I helped you.
My angel.
You don't make me cry.
It's all right to cry. Ain't no wrong with crying.
I'm just
crying is joy.
I know. I'm just happy I helped you.
That's what it is.
Y'all, look, I done got Unc a room. I'm really mad I'm walking and crying at the same time. Because I just want to find him. And people are looking at me like I'm crazy. I'm trying. And I don't give a fuck what anybody think of me right now. But we getting on the bus. So I just talked to my mom. I was crying and I'm stressed. And she said, you know, go rent a car. So I just rented a car. I'm at the metro, so I'm taking the train to the car place. So I made it to Union Station and I'm trying to find the rental car place. This place is so big. Alright, y'all, so I got the rental car. Okay, she in a Honda. Ooh, it smells like weed in here. They better not charge me for that, I swear. Alright, Miss Honda, sister girl, we gonna go find Unc today. Where the keys go? I'm so used to my push start back at home. Alright, y'all. I'm in my car. And we about to see what I'm just walking, trying to find this man, y'all. Seriously. Like, where you at, Can't, like, I don't know, that medicine had him feeling well today or something, and he just decided to go run these streets. But he needs to sit down somewhere so I can find him. Seriously. He need to sit down. Yep. Is there a trunk? Let me see. All right, so we about to get him a phone. This is the first thing we doing. You need help? Okay. Yay. So now I gotta figure out where to get his phone from. We're gonna really change your life around, and then maybe we can help others, you know? Yeah. You know more about that life than I do, so maybe we could do something good with this. So we made it. We about to go to Target and go get his phone. I've been getting stared at a lot. I think a lot of people recognize me from TikTok. So if people say anything about TikTok, now you know why.
Get that one.
You want this one?
Yeah.
Okay, can he get this one? How long do you want me to pay up to? Like 6 months? And then, or a year?
1 year.
1 year?
Yeah.
We just got his phone for up to a year, y'all. Unc just got his phone. Oh, wait, yeah. How you feel? You feel? You got a phone up to 1 year? Clothes or snacks and, like, stuff you could get real quick?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. I mean, you want a new pair of shoes?
Yes.
You know your shoe size?
9.
9?
Yeah.
Okay, well, pick out whatever you want. And I'm here. I'll be patient. You think you'll fit the L? The L's pretty big. You might need a medium.
Nah, I want the L.
You want the L?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Get it. Yeah, I like that. And then which cargos do you want?
Black one.
Black ones? Okay, get them. You know your size?
Yes.
Okay, cart is getting filled up. You want this one?
Yeah.
Okay. You really like black, huh? That's your color? Here goes a size 9 right here. You like them? They like mine. We could twin.
Okay, we twinning.
We twinning?
Twinning, dinning.
Twinning, dinning, okay.
Sure.
Those gonna be comfortable sometimes, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Nice slippers. You need more than one pack, so whatever you want, okay? I heard these Goodfellow, all the guys talk about these t-shirts. You want those ones? Okay. You want a pair of pajama pants? They got pajama pants right here. Yeah, this is amazing, y'all. Y'all did that TikTok. Wait a minute, I'm crying because I got him his toothbrush and then I said, do you want floss? And he looked at me like, that's a good one. I forgot. I'm sorry. I forgot he didn't have any teeth. Which one? You want the Cool Rush or you want the Extreme Blast? Cool? Okay. TikTok, look what y'all done did. Look what y'all done did. This is crazy. This is crazy. Here we are $700 later. Well, really $1,000 because I paid $300 some and I paid up the year for $400. I forgot. We got him straight. How do you feel, man? Period. All right. Yep. Got your bag. We're gonna get you a bigger bag so you could have like another bag for your stuff.
I've been so lonely though. I laid down and I asked God, could you bring my little angel back to me? And he said, rest my son. She's coming now. And you know what though? I was in that room, I took a shower, and then I said, man, Lord have mercy. For some reason, Well, I ain't finished it yet.
You want me to finish?
I haven't finished
Finish what?
the letter.
What letter?
The letter that I'm writing.
Writing me a letter?
Oh my God. Yeah.
There's a reason why we crossed paths. So you remember yesterday I said I do TikTok, Unc? You remember?
Yeah.
I said I do TikTok, Unc. I'm not really that big on there, but I said, you know, I'm recording me going to the grocery store. I said, you want to be my TikTok?
TikTok?
You remember? And I was recording.
Yeah.
I got back to my place and I said, let me edit the video so, you know, I'm doing my video so I can post it.
Mm.
So it has been posted for less than 24 hours.
Mm-hmm.
And it has reached over, last time I checked, 12 million views.
Bad.
And I think close to 3 million likes.
Mm-hmm.
And then I made a GoFundMe for you.
You did?
Yes. And I asked people, I said, donate anything that's welcome. Everything will be given to you because I really want to help you.
I know you do.
And I think the last time I checked, they had raised over $150,000.
Shocking thing, ain't it? I feel damn good. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah.
This is crazy.
What?
This is crazy. You got more money than me now.
That's ours.
That's out. No, that's yours.
No, that's ours.
No, I don't need it.
You do.
Me helping you was more than enough. You deserve it. What you gonna tell TikTok?
Hey, TikTok. You see me? I'm doing good. I'm grateful. She found me again. I feel real good, you know? This right here, it ain't such thing. I can defeat anything. Anything. You know why? You know why? I never stop. Never. I've been out here in the worstest, and still survive. Yeah.
You know what that's called? Faith.
Yeah.
Like, dude, your life is about to change.
Ooh, yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah.
TikTok, we did it!
So I hope you watched the video and you saw how the college girl helped the homeless man who asked just for a tea, and you see what happened. She ended up getting him a hotel, getting him his medication and all of that, you know. I just saw the video. It's everywhere. You can check it out on TikTok, and that really melted my heart. And I said, let me share with you guys. As always, leave your comments what you think about the video. Until then, I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.